Hello there, welcome to our channel Logging Apps again. Hope you are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to hide your online status on WhatsApp app. And now without further ado, let's start right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more videos. Now to hide your online status in WhatsApp, let's open up our WhatsApp app first. And after opening your WhatsApp app, you can see the three dotted icon on the top right corner of your screen. Tap on the three dotted icon like this, and again tap on settings. You can see the settings at the bottom of the dialog box. And after that, below your profile picture, you can see the account category over here. Tap on account, and again on the top of the list of options, you can see the privacy option available over here. Tap on privacy, and after that, on the first option, which is the last seen by everyone, under the category you can see my personal info. Tap on last seen and tap on nobody. And there guys, your WhatsApp account online status will be hidden by this way, and it was this easy. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thanks for watching guys. Peace.